Oh yeah. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. It's spaghetti time. It's spaghetti time, everybody. We're making the other half of pasta. The other half of the spagoot that we made the other week. Because I'm hungry. And I want that spaghetti. I'm going to make it. I'm going to make it right now. I got to get my phone stand. Why is there nobody in here? Why is the notification not on Discord yet? Oh, there it is. There we go. There we go. Gonna make pasta again. Everybody be like, bruh, again? Again? Like, Yeeter, hey. Yeeter, welcome. First person to join. First person to join. Ooh, it's dark. All right. Back in here. Watching my stream? Good. Hey guys, there's a cat. Here is cat. Cat likes toy. Okay. There is other cat. Boop. Alright, we're making spaghetti. Oh, I didn't even grab my phone stand. That's why I went in the other room. Don't laugh at me. Hey, Sir Colin the Great. Hi, Insane Stupidity. Hi, I got a video coming for you tonight. Don't worry, you can go back to editing soon. Yeaterboy69420. Hey guys, Zoom teacher here. Here to teach the class again. We are here. Nose cam. Nose cam. Ah, brick. Hand banan. Cleeful. Whatever your name is. More child labor for me. Yes. Yes. No, the light's broken. Crap.
Don't do that.
Wait, we can't put a regular light bulb in there?
No.
Ugh. Harry, Pokemon, finally. Took you about time. Goodness. Alright, we're gonna make spaghetti. We're gonna make spaghetti right now. Ow. Ugh. Let me tell you about my sponsor for today, Shaderado Legends. Every time I watch you make spaghetti, I'm eating fries. Oh, I like fries. I think I'll make fries for a side. That sounds really good. Spaghetti with vodka sauce and a side of fries. Hey, we're matching. Guys, look at this. Yeah. We're matching. Hey, I said I was cooking. I said I was cooking.
Yeah, but we're doing.
Ooh. Waffle. Okay, guys, you decide. You decide waffle fries or regular fries. Which one? I'm really wanting the waffle fries, honestly. With some ketchup. Oh, yeah. Yeah, waffle fries. Waffle. Oh, wow. In the comments, waffle, because she wants waffle fries. Nice. Waffle fries it is. Alright, pasta is heating up. Well, the water's heating up. I had to re-download Twitch and sign back in to watch this. Well, good. I'm glad you did. I snort Pop Rocks. I hope you don't. It's bad for you. Let's see. 360. Preheat to 360. Yeah. Your sub ran out? Resub. Gotta get the logo gun. Be right back. Bring it back. Pog Gob, welcome. Oh, you do? Oh. That's not very good of you. That's not very poggers. Alright. Does anybody else know this? I didn't know. I don't know if you guys knew this, but salt in the water does something. I don't know what it does. I just know it does something. Oh, flavors. I knew that. Flavors the pasta. You prefer the G Fuel Energy Crystals to Pop Rocks? I've never had the G Fuel Energy Crystals. G Fuel, you want to sponsor you, boy? I don't see how they haven't sponsored me yet. I'm a freaking meme. Give me my freaking sponsor. Do you want me to season them like we regularly do? Yeah? With just that one seasoning or what? Just that? You don't do anything else? It boils faster? With salt? That's cool. I knew that. I was just testing you guys. Ooh. Look at those waffle fries, guys. Those are good. I'm gonna do like the whole bag. Just kidding. Look how big that waffle fry is. Frozen waffle fry. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Frozen waffles.
What?
Make G-Fuel fries? Okay. Back in the freezer. That's the correct way to eat it. Putting them in the oven, warming them up? Nah. The tapeworm? What the heck? What does he mean? What does he mean, Anna? Oh, guys, you ever had this? This is so freaking good. I'll eat it on stream. Where's the lollies? Where's the lollies? Oh, I see it. Alright, this is good. Lollies seasoned salt. Throw this on your fries. And, ooh, fries this on your throw. Amazing. I'm gonna go both ways so it really gets on there. I'm gonna shake them up. Mix them around. Yeah. Petition for Lizarda to throw it back. Nah. That comes at 20 million subs. How does a Prime sub work? Basically, if you have Twitch or Amazon Prime, you get a free Prime sub for any of your creators. I said I was cooking.
I set the oven wrong.
I know. It's literally 360.
It's 425.
Oh, that's an air fryer. $24 to 26 minutes. Woo! Oh, thank you. One more time. This is Clifford Morgan, CEO of G Fuel. I'm here to give you your own shaker and G Fuel flavor. Wow! Wow, this is amazing, guys. This is amazing, guys. Oh, this is lava. Guess a number between 1 and 3. 4. Just kidding. 1. Swass guy, the Slayer. Alright. Get closer to the cam. Get closer. How close do you want? Huh? Huh? I can only get so close. Man, guys, you won't believe it. You just won't believe it. Do I want tomato basil or vodka sauce? Guys, regular tomato basil sauce or Bertolli's vodka sauce? Which one? No, I said you won't believe it. You just won't believe it. Which one? Which one? Which one? Vodka sauce or regular? Yeah. Vodka sauce. Should I add tuna? Should I add tuna to the sauce, guys? Should I add some tuna to the sauce? Tuna sauce? Hold on, I'm on. You're gonna switch from phone to computer. No, what about both? No tuna? Okay, fine. Alright, fine. But I will eat these while I'm passing the time. These are Louisiana hot sauce fish steaks. They're really good. They smell so strong. Like this, I'm gonna have to take out the trash after I throw these in the trash because they're literally. Oh my gosh, that brings me back to when I first had these.
Wait, can I smell
Oh yeah,
it? Can I smell it?
look at those. Look at these amazing fish steak consume. Yeah, it's Louisiana hot sauce, so it's nothing bad.
I can't smell.
Oh, you can smell it. Oh, you can smell it.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Landon showed me these one time, and I'm like, wow, these are good.
Landon, why?
Alright, guys, you can smell it through the monitor. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm going to punch my monitor, I swear. I'm going to punch my monitor, I swear. Oh my gosh. They're so good. These are actually so good. No cap. No cap, dude. They're not the whole fish. They're just steaks. Oh my gosh, I think those are the fins. Nice. They're not the whole fish. They're just the steaks. I think I see a whole fin right there. I'll eat this, but I won't. Oh, I'm brushing my teeth for 20 minutes.
Please.
What was I saying? Oh. I'll eat this, but I won't eat G Fuel bread. It tastes like buffalo wings, but cold and like has a fish flavor.
So not buffalo wings, just hot sauce.
No, buffalo hot sauce, yeah. I love eating fish.
Wait, Lucky, do you want to smell it? Lucky, can you smell it?
Oh yeah, let's have the cat smell it. He's like, no, get that away from me.
Oh,
Oh.
poor kitty.
I know. I literally, nah, dude. I don't know why you are concerned about it, because people do that all the time. They're like, I'm gonna subscribe, and then they see a couple of my videos, and it's perfectly understandable. Not everybody who, subscribes is gonna stay subscribed. Only those of you who are epic, they deserve, all of you deserve the bruh button. You deserve it, but I'm not going to give it. That's the problem. Also, what are my thoughts on deep fried carrots? I've never had deep fried carrots, actually. I got a notification for this while talking to my friend about what you egg quote. Nice. Honestly, I do not frickin' care. I'm just making videos, and they're getting some good amount of engagement, so I like it. Somebody touch him. No. No. Do you guys like Oreo Thins? Because I freaking love them. They're so thin. They're better I think they're better than the original because there's so much chocolate cracker on the originals, and these are just so crunchy and good. So thin. No, you don't get less cookie. You may get less cookie per cookie, but you get the same amount of cookies because if they're thinner, you can fit more in there. If they're bigger, you can fit less cookies in there. But if they're bigger, you get more cookie per cookie. And if they're smaller, you get less cookie per cookie. But there's still the same amount of cookie in the box. I rest my case. Crazy Munchie, thank you. Words of wise man. You pay more for less. How though? That moment when you pay more for less cookie. You can't. There's no. Take it back. You don't get less cookie. I already said it. Oh frick. Lizard. Wait. Lizard Oreo. Oh wait, guys. Where's my sticker? Hey, where's the apron?
Oh no, don't hit spaghetti sauce on it.
I'm not going. Hey guys. Hang on a second. Hey you, I took a Sharpie home, Hannah.
I know.
Why?
Because I keep the same Sharpie.
You keep it?
Just like one. But I've had it for me.
Why'd you put it on the fridge? Yeah, this is not gonna come off. Hannah, no.
It's gonna come off.
Can you come on? Yeah, it's not gonna come off. Hannah, why did you do that? Hannah, why would you do that? It was my special sticker. Oh, I got it. There we go, guys. All right. There we go. Lizard's Kitchen. Lizard's Kitchen. Oh, I missed some of it. It's just a flicks. Yeah, Lizard's Kitchen, everybody. Welcome back to Lizard's Kitchen. I'm your host, Lizard. We're going to be cooking with Lizard. Not to be confused with cooking with lizards. Because that's another kind of show. Not one that I want to be on. Vodka sauce? More like, I love that sauce.
Everybody said basil. I don't know why you're using vodka sauce.
Literally, the first two people were like, vodka, so I was like, okay. You can, well, you don't have to pay for a Prime sub because you get one free Prime sub per month. I don't want to cross-stream it to YouTube. This is a Twitch special. Everything isn't YouTube related. Yeah. My YouTube is specifically for good, solid content. Twitch is for more relaxed. Hey, I'm playing a game right now. Hey, I'm making some food right now. That's a Reddit moment right there. It's a Twitch special. Like, yeah. I stream on Twitch to see who the real ones are. He streams on Twitch to see who the real ones are. Yeah, exactly. 18 people are the realest. All right. Time to add spagoot. Where's Prongo? Yeah. Prongo be like, has a job and is working. Where's Flash? Sleeping. Where's Aquifer Unknown? Where's Sacri? Huh? Where are you guys? You make a cool fan video, but you can't even get into a single freaking stream? Imagine, dude. Having a life? Nah. Having a wife. Huh, that's what I like to hear. Cringe. I got a Sharpie. Alright, we have added the spaghetti. We have added the spaghetti. We need to... Oh, the kitchen... Or the oven's done, not the kitchen. We gotta throw these in, because these are gonna take forever. Alright. How long? Timer? 25 minutes. The oven is done cooking? Did I say that? Crap. Why am I so dumb? 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 Oh yeah, I didn't notice what. You have a crush? Poggers. Shark star. Stop it. Oh my gosh. I ain't noticing what. Whoa! I Snort Pop Rock subscribe with Prime! Yo! You get the bra button. Hang on. Just for you, I Snort Pop Rocks. Wait, what if I press the bra button with the gun? Oh. Nah, you don't get the nut button. Every time a bra happens, I'm gonna bra. What? Ooh, lightning just struck. Gets the nut button anyway. Lol. Have Fortnite Jonesy push the bra button. I don't know who Fortnite Jonesy is. I'm not smart in the ways. Gamer moment. Ooh. Power goes out midstream. Me cry in the corner.
Did you hear that? The first thunder of the year.
Ooh, that was the first thunder of the year on our half. I'm streaming on my phone, so I couldn't lose power to my phone. I'd lose power to the oven, and that'd be sad. Did you hear it on stream? You have powers? Oh my goodness, it's Ollie, or it's Ollie turn. Rumbling.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, my internet. I still have data. Oh my gosh. We got a huge storm coming, guys. I may not work Monday. More content for YouTube. That's how we roll. Num num. It's good. It's good, guys. It's really good. I'm gonna stream with 4G. Actually, I have that 5G. No, I got that 6G, dude. When you get hungry, you just. You just donated 50? What? I don't really. Bits are like a cent, I think. I don't know. I'm so relatable. Rumbling starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, dude. It didn't work. This spaghetti be looking spaghetti-like.